Let's take a look at this hydraulic toolbar, hydraulic component quick access toolbar again. So you will notice on the top section here is highlighted or enabled components are hydraulic components, including time-dependent volume pipes, junction valves, and the bottom three are the control system component, and they are disabled because currently our workspace is actually for hydraulic view only. And if you click on the control system view, you will notice the hydraulic components are disabled, but the control component system are enabled, so you can insert it or place them in the workspace. Now let's focus on hydraulic modeling portion of RHYS in this video. And there are two types of hydraulic components, volume and junction. Now, to insert a volume like a pipe component, you have to click on it and then go to the workspace and just click on the blank page, and it will display this symbol or small node diagram to representing the component. Okay, you can drag and move it, and you can also double click on it. You'll notice there's once you double click it, the input deck editor dock wedges pops up, and then here you can enter the attributes for that component, like geometries, initial conditions, other things, other card information. Okay. And then you can, for junction components, to insert a junction component, you need at least two existing volume components. So let's add another volume component, which is a time-dependent volume, and then demonstrate how we insert a junction. We can use a valve as example. Just left-click on the valve icon here, and the cursor, you notice, becomes a cross. So for junction, you have to pick from volume and to volume to make the connection. Now move your mouse cursor to from volume, and then left click on the volume shape and hold it drag to the to volume and release on the to volume to build a connection right here. And the same thing happens if you double click on the junctions. You will be able to edit, put the information through this input deck editor dock wedges. Okay, and there are some special volume components like a pump. They're special because these type of volume components actually has its own internal junctions. So to enter create this pump nodalization or node, you have to build two internal junctions. One is inline, the other is pump outline. So how to insert them? You have to use this internal junction icon. Click it, and then you will see there's a pump junction. And just click on that. And then same thing, you have to, for inlet junction of pump, you have to choose a from volume and then hold and drag and release the mouse on the pump node. And for the the outline junction, you start with the pump node and then hold, drag, and then release on the to volume. Okay, that's how you make the connections. You can also access a component, the quick toolbar, through this component drop-down menu on the menu bar here. Additionally, there's another way you can add a volume component. You can use a system view panel. You click on the hydraulic components and go to the volume you want to add. For example, a single volume, and you can right-click on it and then click on Add Component, and you can just place it in the workspace. And that's actually how you build that's the basic knowledge you need to know to start building a hydraulic system. In this video, we explored how to move from the RHYS welcome page, where you can create open RHYS project or import input decks into the main window layout, identifying the menu bar, quick access bar, dock wedges, and the main workspace. We wrap up by taking a brief look at hydraulic modeling features, showing you how to place and connect basic components in the workspace. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about how to enter hydraulic component information through input editor dock wedges, help you learn to build the control systems, and enter other cards like time step controls, heat structure thermal properties information. For questions referring to RHYS manual section 3.1 to 3.3 for the material covered in this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next RHYS training video.